Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set or configure your Brother printer to either use color or black, white, grayscale color on your print jobs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to large icons, and then select devices and printers. Select printers and scanners, and then select your Brother printer from this list. Select printing preferences, and now where it says color/mono underneath the basic tab, click on the drop down and you can select either mono color, which is just grayscale basically, color, or auto, which the printer will automatically configure those options if you select the auto option. And that's pretty much it. So once you've made your change, you would have to select apply and OK to save the change, and that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.